Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to know when your Cash App card has arrived, or how to check if your Cash App card arrived. Let's get started. Open the Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to go to your account settings. Scroll down and select Support. Once the support page loads, find the Cash Card section and tap it. Then, choose Getting Your Card. You'll see details about your card's delivery, which Cash App says can take up to 14 business days after applying. If it's been longer than 14 business days, scroll to Contact Us and tap Chat with Us. Type a message like, I applied for my Cash App card on insert date, but it hasn't arrived. Can you check the status? Send it and the support team will reply with an update or next steps. Unique tip. Track your card status early by checking the support page a few days after applying to catch any delays before the 14-day mark. If you're having issues, try these. Ensure you're in the right Cash App account. If the chat doesn't load, close and reopen the app. Check your internet connection if the support page is slow. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.